Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your AirPods Pro 2nd generation to your laptop with the Windows system operation. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge your earbuds, so we have to put them inside the case and also charge in this case at least to the 30%. At the bottom you can find the lightning input for the cable. Next we have to open the case and focus on this back button right here. We have to click and hold this button until this indicator and the front start blinking white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold, take a look on the indicator. As you can see right now it is blinking, so we can simply release the button, put it close to your laptop, but do not close this cover. And what we have to do, simply move to the settings on our device. It works the same for any PC or laptop that you have. Go for the Bluetooth devices, enable Bluetooth by tapping right here on the switcher and click to add device, and then select Bluetooth. As you can see, the AirPods Pro appears on the list, so we have to click on them once, and after a few moments we will be successfully connected. You will also hear a notification tone in your AirPods, and they will announce that you are connected. So yeah, that was all, but there's one thing also to check. You have to go for the sound options and be sure that the output and the input is switched to your AirPods. As you can see in my case, the output it's on the AirPods Pro, but the input it's still on the internal microphone. So we have to switch for our AirPods microphone if you want to use the microphone of your AirPods. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.